Check out this 2011 Toyota Prius. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.